Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you the song Noel by Lauren Daigle. As always, I'm going to play the song for you first, and then afterwards I'll break it down and explain it to you in more detail. So let's go ahead and get started.
Love incarnate, love divine, star and angel gave the sign. Bow to babe on bended knee, the Savior of humanity. Unto us a child is born, He shall reign forevermore. Noel, Noel, come and see what God has done. Noel, Noel, the story of amazing love, the light of the world, given for us. Noel, Son of God and Son of Man, there before the world began. Born to suffer, born to save, born to raise us from the grave. Christ the everlasting Lord, He shall reign forevermore. Noel, Noel, come and see what God has done. Noel, Noel, the story of amazing love, light of the world, given for us. Noel.
So for this song we're going to be using 5 chords from the E chord family. We're using the E chord, A2 in place of a traditional A major, and then a B suspended 7 in place of a traditional B, so this is just an easier way to play a B. This is a B power chord instead of a B bar chord, so it leaves some open strings at the bottom, as well as the C sharp minor. We're playing a power chord version as well. And then the F sharp minor 7, also a power chord version. So that makes these, instead of, otherwise we'd have 3 pretty tough bar chords to play for this song. So if we use these power chords, it just makes things a little bit easier. Again, this is simplified guitar, so that's why I'm using these power chords. If you like bar chords and you're comfortable with them, then by all means you can use the bar chords in place of these power chords, no problem. For the strumming, we're going to be using the driving pattern, which is a nice easy 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums and then an up strum after beat 4, and then that pattern repeats. And then we're going to be adding emphasis on beats 1 and 3. So every other beat we're going to be strumming harder and softer on the beats on beats 2 and 4. Okay? So if I just hold an E chord and play through that strumming pattern, it would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. One thing you need to keep in mind when you're playing this song is that every chord, 4 out of the 5 chords, you're not going to be strumming or playing the low E string. Only the E chord are you going to be playing that low E string. All the other ones you need to not strum it, okay? So in order to help you do that, for the power chords like the B and the C sharp minor, you can let your middle finger here, your second finger, come down and touch that E string so it mutes it. You don't want to press down on it, you just want to touch it so that if you do accidentally hit it while you're strumming, it's muted and it doesn't resonate, make any noise, okay? So you can do that for the C sharp minor and for the B. When you get to the F sharp minor, this is just my personal preference. When I play the F sharp minor, I usually will put the palm of my hand on the back of the guitar and play it like this. And then I let my thumb come over and touch and mute that E string. Okay? I could use my middle finger, but it's a little bit harder for me to do that than to use my thumb in that case. I can't use my thumb for the B and C sharp minor because I'm using my thumb against the back of the neck of the guitar to get those power chords so I can lift my hand away from the high E and the B string so that this part of my hand isn't muting the string. So if you are having that problem, you might need to take your thumb and let it press against the back of the guitar so you can move your hand away from the neck. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.